Yeah, good morning everybody. We are back on it again on morning ritual exercise. Today is Thursday. Wow, the first day of October. We step into October, still on morning ritual. So let's go back to business for the day. Exercise is the key to sound health. We keep on telling you this every day, that exercise is the key to sound health. There's no doubt about it. We've been talking about so many topics in our previous video, but today we are going to talk about determination. It has something to do with sports. Let's pieces the word determination. On a layman definition, determination, I see it as when someone have the zeal, have the need, have the willpower to do something and hit on his target and be on the doing side. That's when they will say that you are determined to do what you want to do. We use it in many ways, in taking decisions, in getting through success. Determination is the key to success. Yeah. Once you determine to do something and make it a priority in your life, put that in first. The sky is your limit. No matter how many times you fail, no matter how many times you try and fail, but once you determine that this is what I want, you get a positive result. The same thing with exercise. You have to determine that you want to exercise before you can put it into action. You can't just get up and start exercising. No. It comes from the mind. Everybody wants to be good. Everyone want to look sweet. Everyone wants to reduce the fat, the excess weight that we have in our body. We all want to reduce it. But it's only when we determine to do that that we find a solution, which is exercising. So once we get the solution is exercise. Then we determine to focus our effort on exercising. That's hitting the nail at the head. So I don't want to take more of your time today. I want it to be a very short video. Okay. So you have to determine. So this is what I want. That I must exercise. Mommy, welcome. He has been trekking since. So you now join me. I like his zeal. I like his zeal. That's what I'm talking about today, determination. Once you determine to do something, no matter how difficult that thing is, you have the willing power, the willpower to do it. You see you having a positive result over it. Like I was telling you before our mommy joined in, once you determine to do something, put it first. Make that thing a priority in your life. Everybody wants to look good. Sports is good, exercise is good, jogging is okay. But where is that willing power? Where is that willpower to start it? You start it from one day. You start it now. After watching this video, you now say, please, I have to talk to myself. I need to start doing something. I need to start doing it. If I don't have canvas, training canvas, let me go and buy one. If I don't have training kit, let me go and buy one. Let me start doing this thing, even if it is from my bedroom. Once you get off from your bedroom, I've been telling people this, once you get off from your bedroom, you can start jumping. You can start jump twist right there in your bedroom. Make sure you sweat. 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 Once you sweat today, you sweat tomorrow. You see that you start sweating every morning. You make yourself to sweat every morning. It's not too hard to start. But let's just have that determination in us. See it as something that is important. Start doing it. Start exercising. It's for your own benefit, not for me. You're not doing it for me. You are doing it to help yourself. I will tell you that exercise will make you to live long. More longer than you're supposed to live. Imagine when you are overweight, how you will feel, how you sleep, how you eat, how you walk around, to compare with when you reduce all those weight. Relieve yourself from those heavy weights and be light, be agile. You will see the difference. I don't need to be telling you all this all the time. Put it in practice. Practice it. Determine to do something. Many people will see me and say, Edu, you are looking good these days. I will come and join you. I don't need you to come and join me. Start doing it from wherever you are. Start doing it from your home. Because if you are waiting for the time you come here and join me, be jogging every morning, that means you are not ready for it. You can start from your side. Start doing it from your side. You do it in your bedroom. Talk around your street. Send the video to my platform. Let's see what you are doing. Then we know you are determined to do what you want to do. Do it and send us the video. Send the video on our platform. We open a very good platform on Facebook. Morning Ritual. Go there and watch our videos. See what we've been doing. Like what I told you, everything we do in Morning Ritual is practical. It's not all about talking. It's practical. You see the practical part of it. Choose the one that you can do and start doing it. Do something for yourself. Do something. On my next video, I will talk more about our intake. What we eat. What we have to eat. Yeah. I will talk about what we have to eat in my next video. So, because once you're exercising and you're not taking good care of yourself, you're not eating good, you will not see the effect. Once you're exercising, you control what you eat. You control the food you eat so that you see a positive result. I don't want to talk much about it now, but on my next video, I promise you, we'll talk about more on what we eat. I've been doing many videos on what we eat, our intake, time to eat, but on my next video, I will treat it more. So let's handle determination today. Get determined. Start running. Start jogging. Start doing something for your body, for yourself, and get the positive results. Thank you as you watch this video up to this point. Let me go and meet Mama where she is. She's waiting for me there so that we do the second stage, which is the body tightening. Mama, come and say hello to them. Yeah. So, say hi to them.
Hello, fans.
Hello.
Hello.
Thank you for watching us.
Thank you for watching us.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Join us on Facebook too. You ever enjoy being with us. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Ciao.